Welcome to our 2019 Honda Pilot video. In this quick look, we're checking out the safety and driver-assistive news for the new model year. Since last year's excellent crash test ratings are expected to carry forward, the Pilot already makes drivers feel confident. Adding to the good feelings are the newly standard Honda sensing features on every Pilot model for 2019. There's the collision mitigation braking system that can alert you if it detects a possible frontal collision and even help apply the brakes. And Pilot's road departure mitigation system can use the steering and brakes to help keep you from unintentionally leaving a road with detected lane markings. Then there's a smart tech that helps keep you centered in your detected lane. It's called the Lane Keeping Assist System. Plus, the adaptive cruise control is designed to help maintain a set speed and following interval behind a vehicle detected ahead. And most 2019 Pilot models now feature the blind spot information system and cross-traffic monitor designed to let you know when detected vehicles are close to invading your space. Those are just a few of the cool new things about the 2019 Honda Pilot. There's a lot more, some of which we explore in other videos available here. For an even deeper dive, we created pilot.honda.com. And for some super detailed stuff, the how-to videos at hondatechtutor.com. But if you really want the full story, your nearest Honda dealer is providing extensive test drives right now.